Yeah, very good morning. What time is it there?
It's 10:31.
10:31. And which country are you from?
I'm from Ecuador.
Okay. Can you guess where am I from?
Um, in you are India?
Yes, absolutely right. I'm from India. Okay.
Yes.
So this is our first meeting, right? On this app?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, I think is.
So what's your name?
My name is Adelina.
Alina. Okay. Alina, what do you do for a living?
I'm right now I student at the university. I student language.
Okay. You're studying right now. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So
And you?
what is your
And
major?
you? What do you do?
Okay. What's your major?
My major is language, Spanish, French, and
Wow.
English. Professor.
You must be smart girl, like you multi at the same time you're learning multiple languages.
It's difficult, but I like to learn more language for speak other people and like visit other countries.
My name is JD. Okay, my name is JD. As you see, my name on the screen, JD. J for jungle, and D is for dangerous.
Yeah, yeah.
And at this point, I'm doing nothing, simply sitting at home. From time to time, I conduct online spoken English sessions, and this is how I spend my time. In my spare time, I indulge in reading books. I have read plenty of books. And yeah, this is how I spend my time. And this is a place which is very near to me, surrounded by the nature. It's one of the beautiful place. I love it. Where I come, especially in the morning time, I rest here. There are some swing chairs, tables. So I sit, relax, read books, and do my productive activities.
Oh, okay,
Yeah.
okay.
So how
Mm.
many family members do you have in your immediate family?
My family is come for four people. Four
Okay,
people.
there are four members in your family.
Yes,
Okay.
four members.
Do you have siblings?
Yes, I have only friend, only brother, only brother.
Brother. Okay. Is he younger or
Yes.
older than you? Is he younger?
Is older for me.
Okay. What does he do? Your brother?
Um, he is studying English.
He's
The
studying
English.
English. Okay.
Yes.
So, what is your dream? What do you want to become in your life?
I don't know. My dream, I think that is improve my English and speak very fluently.
Wow.
And in the future, I will like travel other countries
Wow.
and or live in other country.
That is very
And
noble goal. That is very noble goal, noble dream you have. Okay. Great.
yes.
How do you improve your English?
Yes.
May I know?
I improve my English in this platform because
Okay. How long have you been there?
I
How
yeah.
long have you been here? Like
and uh, 2 months, 2 or
2 months.
3 months.
Okay. What is
Yes.
your experience so far? Do people irritating you sometimes? Or they are being very respectful?
Yes. 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 But my experience is good. It's good. It's
Hmm,
good
good,
for
good, good, good.
I I I can learn other culture
Mhm.
and well,
Okay, great.
yeah. And you, how long have you been on that?
Could you repeat the question again? How do I learn the
How
language?
long have
How do
yes.
how do I learn the language, or how long I have been on this platform?
How long? Uh, how long have you been on the app?
Okay. It's been 7 to 8 days. Mostly, approximately 7 to 8 days. Okay, maximum 8 days. Okay.
Oh, and what is your experience?
People are very nice. Sometimes people are annoying. They just want to talk with beautiful girls. Okay.
Yes, yes.
So this skips sometimes, but it's okay. Sometimes we have to understand, like this is free application, so what people are going to accept from it. But I am enjoying. I'm talking with beautiful people. It is a privilege for me that I have an opportunity right now to talk to people from different countries. Like your country, different, like Africa. Another different countries. So I'm learning something from
Yes.
them. Their English also amazing. So it is quite amazing experience for me so far. That's my impression of this land, of this platform.
Okay.
Our time is
Your
almost
English
over.
is good.
Okay. Okay then. Bye bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Yeah, yeah. Bye bye.